Is your VW infotainment screen stuck on the loading screen? Don't panic. This issue often stems from software glitches or corrupted data. First, try a soft reboot by turning off your car, removing the key, and waiting 10 minutes before restarting. If that doesn't work, attempt a system reset through the car's settings menu. Refer to your owner's manual for the specific steps for your model year. If the screen remains frozen, the next step is to attempt a cache clear. The procedure to clear the cache varies by model, but it generally involves accessing a hidden menu by pressing and holding specific buttons, like the volume button. Research the correct button combination for your specific VW model and year. For older models, consider using a USB stick with diagnostic software or utilize the Volkswagen CarNet app for remote diagnostics. If basic resets don't resolve the loading screen issue, consider performing a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 15 minutes, then reconnecting it. If you own a newer model, 2022 Plus, ensure your software is up to date. Volkswagen provides over-the-air OTA updates to fix such bugs. Older models might require manual updates via USB. Make sure the update file matches your infotainment system's version, MIB1, MIB2, or MIB3. To prevent future freezes, regularly clear the system's cache and keep your software updated. For older cars, consider a dealer visit to see if there are any available software flashes that are not available over the air. VW is aiming for full OTA compatibility by 2027 alongside AI-driven diagnostics to address issues preemptively. For those with older systems or persistent problems, aftermarket Android Auto or Apple CarPlay adapters can provide a more stable experience. Note that screen freezes have led to safety investigations and recalls, underscoring the need for proactive solutions.